35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ellisville, Bowen, Valley Park, Manchester, Fenton, Murphy, Sunset Hills, Kirkwood, Crestwood, Oakland, Webster Groves, Lakeisha, Shrewsbury, Melville, and Afton. This includes the following state parks: Route 66 State Park and Castlewood State Park. This includes Interstate 44 in Missouri between exits 266 and 277. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter immediately in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure. Severe thunderstorm watch number 314 remains in...
This freaking lightning control is insane right now.